So in this video, what I'm gonna do is show you these little small mini zip tie, kind of like for a car fender or something like that. Let me show you how these things work. What I like about these are a little different than your normal zip tie that kind of goes around and pulls. So how this works is, you see this little item right here? See there's little teeth down inside there? You're gonna run this like this, and this is what makes this really cool. So if you've got like some trim or something you wanna like hold, put this on, and then it just slides on. Now once I do this, I've just wasted this one. You see how that closes up? So you'll close that up and then you'll clip that off. Very unique. It's got like a nice forceful pull on it, so I don't see any reason. I think I can pull it apart if I really pull on it. I can't really pull it apart without breaking it, because what you'll have to do is break that little piece right there. But I really like these things a lot. I'm gonna be using these amongst my travels. This is something just kind of unique, how you can kind of put these things together and then hold, like, so if I had two pieces of material I wanna hold together, that would work out perfect right there. I don't see any issues with that at all. So yeah, and there's 20 per pack, so you get a good little amount of them here. You can only have a hole that you gotta go through. I think that's gonna work out perfect. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 20 piece, you know, zip ties, innovative zip ties. See you on the next video.